Okay. So, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, Teacher Thomas.
Okay, that was just one person, but okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, guys, are you ready for some science today? Some of you are very, very quiet on the Zoom. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Not yet, Cal. Not yet, Cal. Sorry, not yet. Not yet. Okay.
Don't stay quiet today.
Right, Cal. Sorry. Okay. Let's start today's science class, everybody. Okay, guys. So today we will continue with Unit 4. Unit 4 is all about soil. Soil. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's first do a quick review of everything we have studied in this unit. Now, guys, remember, we find soil on the ground, not in the sky, not in a tree. We always find soil on the ground. Many plants can grow in soil. Many plants can grow in soil. And many animals can live in soil. Many animals live in soil. Remember, everybody, the world is covered in soil. You see soil everywhere. There is soil in Thailand, soil in England, soil in America, China, Australia, Japan, everywhere. There is soil all over the world. You can find soil here in the desert. You can find soil here at the bottom of the sea. There is soil here in the forest. And there is soil in your garden at home. If you have a garden at your home, there may be lots of soil in your garden to grow your plants. Now, guys, remember, soil is made of rocks. Soil is made of rocks. Water, wind, heat, and ice will break rocks into teeny tiny pieces. Water, wind, heat, and ice, water, wind, heat, and ice will break rocks into teeny tiny little pieces. And this will make soil. Now this will take a very long time. This will take thousands and thousands of years. So water, wind, heat, and ice break the rocks into teeny tiny little pieces to make soil. Now guys, soil is made of many different things. Soil is made of many different things. Anybody know this word here?
Rock.
Yes.
Yeah.
Rock.
ฝากไปดูตรงข้างนอกหน่อย
This is rock. So soil is made of rock. What is this one, everybody? This is air. The soil is made with air. What is this one, everybody? This. This is water. Water. Soil is made with water. Okay, everyone? Here we have humus. Remember? Humus. Water is made with humus.
Water is a humus.
And one more.
Water is a
Water.
Water
Soil
is
is made with living things.
living things.
Soil is made with living things. So again, everybody,
Living things.
soil is made of
Living things.
rock, air, water, humus, and living things. Soil is made of rock, air, water, humus, and living things. Okay. Guys, this pie chart here shows us what soil is made of. This will tell you how much of each thing is in the soil. So, 45% of soil is made of rock. 45% of soil is made of rock. Now remember, guys, there are 3 different kinds of rock in soil. There are 3 different kinds of rock in soil. Anybody know this word? What is this one? Hey guys, this is sand. Sand. Silt and clay. So there are 3 different kinds of rock in soil. These are sand, silt, and clay. Okay. Now, everybody, 25% of soil is made of air. 25% of soil is made of air. Now remember, everybody, soil is made of small pieces of rock. Soil is made of small pieces, teeny, tiny pieces of rock. The spaces between the rocks are filled with air. The spaces between the rocks are filled with air. Okay. Now, everybody, 25% of soil is made of water. 25% of soil is made of water. Now, when it rains, when it is raining, the water will move down between the pieces of rock. When it rains, the water will move down between the pieces of rock. Now, remember from Unit 2 and Unit 3, everybody, the water in the soil will move up into a plant through the roots. Water will move up into a plant through the roots. Now, guys, 3% of soil is made of humus. So just a little bit, just 3%. of soil is made of humus. Now guys, remember, humus is made of dead plants and animals. Humus is made of dead plants and animals. And there are lots of nutrients in humus. There are lots of nutrients in humus. And same as water, nutrients in the soil will move up into a plant through the roots. The nutrients will move up into the plant through the roots. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, 2%, just 2% of soil is made of living things. Just 2% of soil is made of living things. Now, here are some living things that live in soil. Remember, there are many living things in soil. Here are just some of the living things in soil. Here we have earthworms, a slug, a snail, a mole. Here we have plants, and here we have germs and bacteria. So there are many living things that live in soil. Okay. Okay, guys, let's now have a look at the different kinds of soil. Let's have another look at the different kinds of soil. Now, everybody, there are 3 different types of soil. There are 3 different types of soil. These are sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. So again, there are 3 different types of soil. These are sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. Sandy soil is made of sand. Sandy soil is made of sand. Sandy soil has the biggest pieces of rock. Sandy soil has the biggest pieces of rock. Sandy soil has very loose particles. Sandy soil has very loose particles. Sandy soil has big air spaces between the rock particles. Sandy soil has big air spaces between the rock particles. This will let lots of water move through sandy soil very fast. This lets lots of water move through sandy soil very fast. Now guys, we use sandy soil to make cement. We use sandy soil to make cement. And remember everyone, we can use cement to make roads and houses. We use cement to make roads and houses. We can use sandy soil to make glass. We can use sandy soil to make glass. Okay. Now, plants that need little water can grow in sandy soil. Plants that need little water can grow in sandy soil. For example, here we have a cactus plant. Here is a cactus plant. Now, a cactus plant can grow in sandy soil. A cactus plant can grow in sandy soil. Here is some peanut plants. Peanut plants. When you go to the shop or the market and get peanuts to eat, peanuts come from peanut plants, and peanut plants grow in sandy soil. Peanut plants grow in sandy soil. Okay, guys, here we have some coconut trees. Here we have some coconut trees. Now, coconut trees can grow in sandy soil. Coconut trees can grow in sandy soil. That is why when you go to the beach, you can see many coconut trees. That is because coconut trees grow in sandy soil. Okay. Here we have some clay soil. This is clay soil. Clay soil. Clay soil is made of clay. Clay soil is made of clay. Everyone, clay soil has the smallest pieces of rock. Clay soil has the smallest pieces of rock. Now, because clay soil has very small pieces of rock, there are smaller air spaces between the rock particles. The spaces between the rock particles are very, very small. So when water moves into clay soil, it will move through the soil very, very slowly. The water will move through the soil very slowly. And this will make clay soil very sticky. This will make clay soil stick together very well. That is why we can mold clay soil into different shapes very easy. Clay soil sticks together very well. So we can mold clay soil into shapes very easy. Okay. This is why we use clay soil to make pottery. We use clay soil to make pottery. Pottery is things like vases, plates, cups, and bowls. So, any plates, cups, and bowls in your kitchen, in your home, many of them will be made from clay soil. Okay. Okay, everybody. Now, we can use clay soil to make bricks. We can use clay soil to make bricks. And we can use bricks to make houses. We can use bricks to make houses. Now, everybody, plants that need lots of water can grow in clay soil. Plants that need lots of water can grow in clay soil. For example, paddy plants can grow in clay soil. Paddy plants can grow in clay soil. Remember, everybody, we use paddy plants to make rice. We use paddy plants to make rice. Now, there are many paddy plants in Thailand. So,
Paddy plants.
that's right, Farsa. Use paddy plants to make rice. Yummy
Paddy
rice.
plant is make white.
Right. So, there are many paddy plants in Thailand, which means there is lots of clay soil in Thailand. Okay. Guys, here are some mangrove trees. Mangrove trees. Mangrove trees grow in clay soil. Mangrove trees work, sorry, excuse me. Mangrove trees grow in clay soil. Okay. Now, everyone, let's have a look at loamy soil. Now, you get loamy soil when we mix sand, silt, clay, and humus together. Loamy soil. Yes.
We go to toilet, please.
Yes, you can. Loamy soil is a mix of sand, silt, clay, and humus. Loamy soil is a mix of sand, silt, clay, and humus. Now, Loamy soil has big and small pieces of rock. Loamy soil has big and small pieces of rock. This means that loamy soil has big and small air spaces between the rock particles. Loamy soil has lots of big and small air spaces between the particles. This means that loamy soil can hold some water and let some water move through it. Now guys, use loamy soil to grow plants. We use loamy soil to grow plants. Loamy soil holds the right amount of water. Loamy soil holds the right amount of water. So not too much water and not too little water. Loamy soil holds the right amount of water. And remember everyone, there are lots of nutrients in loamy soil. There are lots of nutrients in loamy soil. And remember everybody, remember, plants need water and nutrients to grow. Plants need water and nutrients to grow. Okay. This is why we use loamy soil on farms. Loamy soil on farms. And we use loamy soil in our gardens at home. We use loamy soil in our gardens at home. So everybody, many plants can grow in loamy soil. Many plants can grow in loamy soil. For example, here we have some fruit and vegetables. Here are some fruit and vegetables. Fruit and vegetables grow in loamy soil. Fruit and vegetables grow in loamy soil. Here we have some flowers, some pretty, beautiful flowers. Flowers grow in loamy soil. Flowers grow in loamy soil. Okay. Okay, everybody. Do you have your science class book today? Today, we will use our science class books. So please take out your science class book, everybody. We will do some questions in our class book. So please take out your science class book. And in your class book, and everybody, please turn to page 54. So page 54 in your class book, please. Page 54. Okay. Does everybody have page 54? Yes? You have? Guys, it would help if you talk to me. Many of you not turn on camera or microphone. I need to know you are here. If you are not here in my Zoom class, I will put you down as absent, which means you may lose points on your score at the end of P2. Okay. Okay, guys. So, page 54 in your class book, please. Okay, everybody. Let's do this together. These questions are a little hard. So we will do these together. So question 1. Which of these soils is easily molded into shapes? Which soil can we mold into a shape? Now, guys, remember, we can mold clay soil into shapes very easy. We can mold clay soil into shapes very easy. So number 1, we can tick clay soil. The number 1, we can tick clay soil. Okay. Number 2, everybody. Question number 2. What soil has the most air spaces? What soil has the biggest air spaces? Now, guys, remember, sandy soil has big air spaces between the particles. Sandy soil have big air spaces between the particles. So for number 2, we can say sandy soil. Sandy soil. Is that yummy, Kowsar? That yummy? I see you eating. Okay, guys. So number 1, we can say clay soil. And number 2, we can say sandy soil. Okay, guys. Let's look at number 3. So question number 3. Rice plants grow well in which soil? Is it sandy soil, silty soil, clay soil, or loamy soil? Now, guys, remember, plants that need lots of water can grow in clay soil. Plants that need lots of water can grow in clay soil. For example, paddy plants grow in clay soil. Paddy plants grow in clay soil. So, remember everybody, we use paddy plants to make rice. We use paddy plants to make rice. So for number 3, we can say rice plants grow well in clay soil. Rice plants grow well in clay soil. Somebody say my name. Hello?
Hello, Luke.
Oh, very nice, Kowsar.
Eat purple.
You done your writing, Kowsar?
Yes.
Good, good, good. So you're happy today? You happy today or angry?
Happy
Oh, you're angry.
and angry.
Angry Kowsar. Or happy Kowsar.
Teacher.
Hello?
Hello, look. This.
Okay, guys, let's have a look at the last question. Sandy soil is good for growing.
Teacher Thomas.
Yes, Vasai?
I'm not feeling number 1 and number 2.
Why did you not tell me before?
Number 1 top. ข้อสาม
There's number 1 and number 2, Farsai. Now, guys, I did say who is finished, and nobody, I say who no finish, nobody say. This is why you talk to me.
Teacher me finish. Thank
Okay,
you.
Farsai. Okay, but some of you are too quiet on the Zoom. You've got to speak more. I need to see. Some of you do not turn your cameras on, so I don't know if you are here. You need to know if you are here. Okay. So, number 4. Sandy soil is good for growing coconut trees because it lets water move through quickly. It lets water move through slowly. It has many nutrients, or it has small air spaces between the particles. Okay. Now, guys, remember, plants that need little water can grow in sandy soil. Coconut trees grow in sandy soil. And sandy soil has big spaces between the rocks. Now, this lets lots of water move through the soil very quickly. So here we can say sandy soil is suitable for growing coconut trees because it lets water pass through quickly. Okay, guys, please finish question 4 and we will stop here today. You're finished? Ooh, very good. Hey guys, here is page 54. Please check your answers.
Teacher someone will not finish.
Which one? Number 4? Okay, I'll put on this page so you can see the writing better. Please finish this question and we will finish here for today.
Okay. Finish, teacher.
Teacher
Trauma.
You finished too? Anybody no finish? Who no finish?
I finished too.
Anybody no finish? You finished, Ang Pao?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys. We'll stop here today. I will put this page here onto your line group. So if you know finish, you can finish later. Okay. Okay, guys, we will stop here today. It's time for your next class. So, thank you, everybody.
Thank you. teacher.
Thank you, everybody, and well done today. Very good.